it's Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer photos from a phone to your USB. So I'm going to be using this Google Pixel, and I have this USB-C to USB adapter, which allows me to plug in my USB drive. Now this is very easy to plug in. You can just plug it in to the bottom of the phone just like this. And you might need to format this on your computer if it's not being detected, so just a heads up if it's not working. Now you want to go to files. So depending on your phone, you might have like my files. On my Google Pixel phone, it's just called files. So we can just search for it. It's called files. Go to files and open this up. So on your like Samsung phone, you probably have my files, and it's going to look a little bit different but similar. And then underneath it should say my USB device. So it looks like it's called disk 20 for some reason. So we can just tap this. I got some images on here already. Great. So now I want to move files here. It looks like I can create a new folder if I want. But let's move some files into here. So let's go back now that I can see it's detected. And I just need to find some images. Okay, so I got some wonderful images on here. So I can just tap one or two. And then there should be an option to move to. If you copy, it's going to leave a copy on your phone. And then move it to the USB device too, so you'll have it in two places. But let's just go to move. This is going to delete it from my phone, and then it's going to move it to my USB, so there won't be copies. So let's go back. I saw the internal storage right there. Let's go to move to and see if we can get this to work. So it says internal storage. I want to move it to my not the internal storage. I want to move it to my USB device. So let's see if we can get this out of here. So I have to move it to a different location. So it says safe folder. I don't want to do that. So move to internal storage. That's not what we want to do. We want to go to the USB storage. So it's not giving me the option to move it. So maybe we can try going to share files by Google. I don't see the options on here either. So let's try a different way. So your phone might just allow you to do it like this, how I just showed you. And other phones, it might be a little bit more tricky. So here's my USB. I can see it's connected. And I want to move files into here. So let's try it from here. This is the PlayStation hat I like. So let's try this. Go to move to. And now it's giving me the option. So it doesn't seem like I can do it from that one screen. So here's my disk. I can just move it into here. So there's going to be a way that you can move it. It could be in the files, or it can just be on the top right here. So I guess I can just move it by clicking it here. You hurt your head. Yeah, I'm being weird. Okay, let's go to images. Let's see if we can move it under here. So we got move to USB. Okay, so it works like that. So these images are now on here. So let's go back. Here's my disk, and here's my images. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.